My people, Christmas time back in the whole days in Jamaica, there was nothing like it, you know. But then it never did all about big present and fancy things. No, sir. It was the spirit, the vibes, and the way we come together as a people. The first sign say Christmas did a come was a breeze. Who no remember that the Christmas breeze? But then as December roll in, you know you could have feel that cool crisp breeze where kiss your kin and make you have to run for your sweater. Me remember as a picnic, me would have said, the Christmas breeze cool, sir. Christmas soon come. Who no remember the cleaning? Oh lad, Christmas could have never pass if you not scrub everything. We would have wake up earlier clock a morning, fi wash the curtain, shiny floor with the genie floor polish, and whitewash the tree trunk them round the front of yard. And nobody think you could have escaped. No! Everybody would have to pitch in for help. And we can't forget about the food. It's not normal because food where you never name all year, you sure fi name it during Christmas time. Every smaddy in the district was bound to bake a pudding, a pone or cake, whatever you want to call it. Me remember how my mother would have soaked fruits in a white rum and red label wine from the beginning of the year. I would have perched myself a kitchen doorway mouth like a mere pitchery. I wait for lick out the cake batter out of the big dirty pot. When me done, my mother would have said to me, "But Tande, little girl, we no need to wash that the pot there." The house them the time smell like a heaven, you know, when that the cake they have bake. And not to mention the sorrel. Hey! My granny used to say, you can't rush good sorrel. You have to pick it, clean it, boil it, add with ginger and pimento, and leave it to dry good before you sweeten it. The first sip of that the sorrel alone could have make you sing any Christmas carol. And we can't forget watch night service. That was mandatory. Remember Christmas Eve night, we had to go watch night. Then the time the church ran packed because everybody will never go church all year find themselves a front row in a church. Then the time the people dress like a puss foot, you know, from head to toe. But after service, me remember how outside would have dark and we would be taking a little time and walk home just to follow the little buckle torch where in a sister in my left hand. Christmas morning was a different story. The kitchen came alive with all kind of different smell and different food I cook. With a hacky and saltfish, fried dumpling, roast breadfruit, fried plantain, and not to mention my mother would have one of the little round hard dough bread there where me used to love. Me remember when me look over the other side, me would see all kind of a pot of bubble pan fire there, me hood fire, with a curry goat, fried chicken, oxtail, rice and peas. And all me a thinking of me little mind, you know, is how me go take in all of them your food there later. People would have passed to give them Christmas greeting, and my granny would have blessed them with a little piece of cake wrap up or a little piece of pudding and a little tips of sorrel pan then tongue. But my people, the sweetest part of Christmas was the love. Everybody in the district would have come together, neighbor, family or friend, and even stranger. The little argument them we have early up in the year, we put them the thing there aside. It was a time for peace, for joy, and for members say we lucky for have life on each other. Nowadays times change. It is all about the big TV, the fancy gift, and who have the most decoration and light on their house. But call me old school. Yes, call me old school. Me prefer the whole time way. Celebrating by going to church and drinking liquor sorrel, a slice of black cake, and the love and laughter spent with me family them. That is the real spirit of Christmas for me. Lord, how I miss whole time Christmas in Jamaica.